ain't no shooter. Bitch, you a top behind the net, you ain't no shooter. Bitch, we'll bleed out your own set.
What's up, y'all? It's Shuri, and in today's video we will be doing a short French tip nail set. And if you're interested in future purchasing my nails, go on my TikTok, support my page, like, comment, subscribe, y'all. These are the nail tips that I use. I got these from Temu. You could probably get these from Amazon too, but I feel like they're cheaper on Temu. So I'm just placing the nails on the nail stand, and what I would do if the nails are shiny, I would file them down, but these come pre-filed, so I don't have to do all that. It just makes it easier.
You went and changed just to grind at the beans, just to work at that cafe. Now I grind at the beats and niggas cap without the frost. I went and found myself while you were out getting lost. Nothing really changed, set the money in my pocket. Speaking on my name, young boy, better watch it. I ain't never stop unless I'm rotting in the coffin. I did it all from home, now these niggas pay me homage. I used to mix drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip roll calls, now they want my photos. Damn, I wish I could do it again, but then I won't be who I am, and I really love who I am.
After putting the nails on the nail stand, I use this Salvyland Nude Builder Gel. This is what I use for my foundation and the color of my nails. It's in the color Nude. You can find this on Temu, and I'm pretty sure you can find it anywhere, but I purchased it off Temu. So when placing the builder gel on the short nail, do one coat, and that should be enough to make it pigmented. If your nail is longer, then I would do 2 coats, maybe 3, depending on how long the nail is, but that's what I do.
Yeah, it makes me stronger than ever. I knew these days would get better. I just been chasing my treasure. I will not crack under pressure. Your skin so smooth like some leather. You so cute when you're fed up. Don't you never say never, cause these days will get better. I say, wait, about time I gotta upgrade. Niggas preschool, about time you move on upgrade. Up. Where I say you can take the escalator, I will take the staircase. iPhone 5. Yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. We did it from a I used to skip out on exams. Now I write hits with my pen. I used to play streets for a 10. Now I get booked for a 10 for my iPhone 5. Yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. Cause girl, you drive me crazy. Love me, then you fuck me like you hate me. Put my ass to sleep, you like a daydream. What doesn't kill me really makes me. Yeah, it makes me stronger than ever. I knew these days would get better. I just been chasing my treasure. I will not crack under pressure. Your skin so smooth like some leather. You so cute when you're fed up. Don't you never say never, cause these days will get better. I say, wait, about time I gotta upgrade. Niggas preschool, about time you move on upgrade. Up. Where I say you can take the escalator, I will take the staircase.
So this is what the nails look like fully coated and cured. This is one layer. After I'm done using this gel brush, I go in with nail polish remover and I cleanse the brush so that next time I'm using it, it's not sticky. So I'm going to be using the color white. It's Beetles. I don't know the exact number of it, but I got this in the Beetles set. I love Beetles polishes, but sometimes when doing white colors and black colors, they like to riffle. So make sure you do a thin layer of this. So I'm just picking my charms out, and I think these charms are from Temu or Amazon. After I'm done with the French tip design, I use this top coat I got from Amazon, and I only do one layer of top coat. After putting on the top coat, I'm gonna glue some charms down with the Beetle rhinestone gel. After I'm done making the nails, I wipe the back of the nail with an alcohol pad so that it doesn't leave any paint residue from the sticky tab. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check out my nail page.